Hey guys, it's Kylie from WTI. So I love having an organized kitchen, especially my refrigerator. So I went on a search for some pantry organizers and I ended up with these Utopia home pantry organizers, and I think that they have been a life changer. They came in two sizes, and I really like using the smaller size for the top rack of my refrigerator for things like supplements or smaller items. They also have this really nice handle on the organizer, so they're super easy to pull out of the refrigerator or any storage shelf. I just love how much these organizers hold. I can put all my sauces in them, I can add fruit in them, or even drinks and sodas. They're also really sturdy, so I can put heavier items in them and not worry about the containers breaking. These organizers are not dishwasher friendly, but I find that they're fairly easy to wash in the sink. They're small enough where they don't make a big mess. I'm a really big fan of being organized in my kitchen, and these Utopia home pantry organizers help me to do just that. And that's my point of view.